boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a very cool song from Halsey called People Disappear Here. So this one has a cool bass vibe going on in this one. Otherwise from that, just basic chords for only. So let's start with the capo-set here on the 2nd fret. And we have first off the E minor. That is open E. Second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Right, next chord, G. So third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next is D. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is A. Open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, so we have the first verse. The chords there are the E minor to A to D. All right. If you want to have this bass that is going on there, you will have another kind of strumming pattern to get that notes into this strumming. So I'm gonna give you that first, and then I'm just gonna give you the main strumming pattern for this song. So you can use that if you want, and if you don't want to play the bass, you can just play the main strumming pattern. Okay, but first the bass here, it goes like this. Something like that. So it's going on this in the background. Something like that. That's the bass, and it's of course a lot darker than you can get on a guitar. But if it translates into these playable notes, it will be that. So how do we do that? Okay. It's based upon the basic strumming, and the basic strumming for the song will be down, 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 up. So if we look at the E minor, since that is the first chord, it will be like this. Okay, so down, 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 up. Okay. Okay, so if you're gonna include the bass notes there, you will play one strumming round first for E minor, and then you're gonna play 3 more downs for the E minor, and that is where the bass goes. So down, 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 and you find the notes here on the 2nd fret D string, which you're holding from the E minor grip here. And then you release the 2nd fret D string and play it open, and you put it back on the 2nd fret D string. So that is the E minor part. So to repeat this one strumming round, and then 3 downs with the notes emphasized. Down, down, down. Right. Then you shift to A. Here you're just gonna play the first 3 downs with the notes emphasized here, and the notes goes here. So that is 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the G string, and back to 2nd fret on the G string. So down, 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 and then you continue with down, up, down, down. So that is the A part. So to repeat the A, 3 downs where we emphasize the notes, and the notes are 2nd fret G string, 3rd fret G string, and back to 2nd fret G string. And then you continue with down, up, down, down. Right? and then you quickly change to the D. And here you just have two notes emphasized, and you're just gonna play down up. And the notes are second fret G string and open G string. And that will be. You could also play just one down and pull off this like this, or just down up. Okay? And that is how you play this cool bass, and that is played in the verse. So if you choose to do that or not, it's up to you. Otherwise, you will play the standard strumming. And if you choose to do that, you have 2 rounds of E minor. Then you shift to A. There you're gonna play 1 strumming round for A plus 2 downs. So down, down. And then you shift to D. Down, up, down, up, up. Okay? So to repeat this, E minor, 2 strumming rounds. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then to A, 1 strumming round plus 2 downs. Down, 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 up, down, down. And you shift to D and play down, up, up. If you see this E minor, A, and D as one chord progression, you will play that for 2 rounds. And that is the first verse. So that will sound like this with only the strumming. And so on. Okay, so that is the first verse. That leads us to the pre-chorus in the lyrics, and I tried to let her be someone. Okay, so the first chords here will be the same as in the verse we learned there. 2 rounds of E minor, 1.5 round for A, you can say, and a half round for D, if that makes sense. Exactly the same as 1 round from the verse. And after that, we're still in the pre-chorus. In the lyrics, she's not another hit. So when you sing or when you are at the hit, you will play 2 strumming rounds for E minor, and then it ends with 2 strumming rounds for A. So I'm gonna play through this pre-chorus for you so you understand what I'm talking about. So let's go. The pre-chorus, and then we have kind of the final part, the chorus, and after this everything will kind of repeats itself. And this chorus is in the lyrics, the people disappear here. So we have a chord progression that is E minor 2 rounds, G for 2 rounds, D for 2 rounds, and A for 2 rounds. If you look at that as one chord progression, E minor, G, D, and A, you will play that for 2 rounds. So let's go on and do that. So people disappear now. Is the chorus. Like I said, nothing new to this song anymore. Second verse in the same way as the first verse, and the same goes with the pre-chorus and even the second chorus in the same way as we just learned. After this second chorus here comes a bridge part. I hurt myself to make sure I exist. The first part there is just a vocal part, okay? And then you will play from the D. If you look at this as the same chord progression from the chorus, so it will start to play at the D chord. So the first 2 chords, the E minor and G, is just a vocal part, and then you're gonna start to play the D and continue with A, and then for another round E minor, G, D, and A, and that will be the bridge parts. And then comes a final chorus in the same way as the other choruses, and it ends with an outro. It's kind of an instrumental part only, and it fades out in total of 4 rounds of the chorus play. So E minor, G, E, and A. And I thank you all guys for watching this channel. It's been great to do some work here from Halsey. People disappear here, I will stay. And I really appreciate all the support here on this channel. Keep on subscribing and watching these great tutorials, and see you soon guys. Don't forget to play tune.